Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today's video is all about Operation AC Thief. Let me explain. I live in Arizona, and around this time of year, our temperatures start skyrocketing. It's not unusual for it to hit 115 degrees Fahrenheit, or even higher. My garage, over 105. My office, where I 3D print, edit, and work on computers, usually creeps into the 80s. So here's the idea. What if I could build a booster fan that only turns on when the AC is running, helping steal a little extra cold air into my office, and maybe save me from melting at my desk? Well, today we're going to build exactly that. For this project, I'm using two 120mm 12-volt fans, a cheap thermostat controller, and a 5.5mm barrel power jack. Simple parts, but hopefully a big difference. First, I wired up the two fans in parallel. Then I jumpered the power input to the relay on the thermostat controller. These little thermostat boards are super inexpensive. I've seen 4-packs for around $15. After wiring, it was time to mount the PCB in the middle spacer. I added small extensions to the buttons, and they actually work pretty well. Mounting the PCB itself was a little tricky though. Honestly, I wish the tall components were on the back of the PCB instead of the front. The way it is built forced me to get a little creative with the design, and it made the display pocket way deeper than it needed to be. Despite the challenge, the final assembly came out pretty clean. I'm holding the whole unit in place with the magnets, so it's easy to move or adjust later. For these settings, I actually use the heat mode instead of the cool mode. That might sound weird, but here's why. I didn't want the fans turning on when the room got hot. I only wanted them to kick on when the cold air was blowing from the AC. So now, when it senses cool air, the fan turns on automatically to help pull that extra chill into the office. And that's it. Operation AC Thief is complete. Let me know what you think about this project, and if you would like to build one for your own office, garage, or workspace. Thanks for watching. See you next time.